PC Magazine went on the record with a claim so bold it sounds like a total dare. They calls this tool the best thing to happen to email since it was actually invented. I had to see if that was just marketing fluff or a genuine breakthrough for our collective daily sanity. Most of us treat our inbox like a digital landfill where we dig for scraps of meaning while dodging endless piles of junk. This tool takes a completely different route. There are no new apps to download and no fancy new interfaces to learn. It just slides right into whatever you are already using today. It stays in the background of Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail without making a scene. The core engine is an intelligent system that studies your communication patterns over time to learn what matters. It is very clever about how it handles your privacy. Most filters want to read every single one of your private words to figure out what is important. This one stays out of the actual message content entirely. It only looks at the headers. It checks the sender, the subject line, and the timing of the message. This creates a meaningful wall between your personal data and the machine. It is even backed by high-level security certifications that major corporations trust. Tests show it hits nearly total accuracy in about 2 weeks. You get to try it out for 14 days without even touching your wallet. There is no credit card required upfront. That shows they have a lot of confidence in the results. Now, it is not all sunshine and perfect folders. There is a real learning curve that requires your active input. You have to spend the first week or two training the system to understand your life. If an important message lands in the wrong spot, you have to drag it to the right folder. The system watches that move and remembers it forever. If you only get 10 emails a day, this is definitely not for you. This is a heavy-duty power tool for the person drowning in 50 or 100 messages every single morning. The pricing is where some people might hit a bit of a wall. The basic plan is affordable, but the best features are tucked away in the more expensive tiers. They use names like the snack plan and the dinner plan to keep things light. If you want to snooze emails for later or manage your heavy attachments, you are looking at a higher monthly cost. Reviewers on major industry sites often point out this feature gating as a major pain point, but there is one specific tool here that almost every review skips over. It is the follow-up tracker. When you send a message and need a response, you just BCC a special address provided by the service. The system then monitors that thread for you automatically. If the person ignores you, the tool flags it and brings it back to your attention. For freelancers or project managers, this is a total game changer. It creates a passive layer of accountability that most tools simply ignore. You no longer have to keep a manual list of who owes you an answer. It turns your inbox into a proactive assistant that works while you sleep. If you are losing hours every week to the void of your inbox, the math starts to make sense. It is one of the few pieces of software that actually lives up to the massive hype. Start small and see how it feels after a month. You might finally see the bottom of your inbox again. It is rare to find something that actually makes your life easier without adding another icon to your desktop.